Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed the Memorial Weekend and that you got to spend some quality time with family and friends. Today I'm back to drop a quick video for you. Today I'm making pumpkin soup with chicken foot. So if you're not accustomed to this meal, just sit back, watch, enjoy. Let's get into it. So here I have all my ingredients. I have some carrot, pumpkin, corn, potato, chicken foot. I made some flour dough, pepper, scallion, thyme, and a pack of Gray's pumpkin chicken noodle mix. To a pot of boiling water, add all ingredients gradually. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. So here I'm separating the noodles from the spice. Too much noodle would add thickness to the soup. I had it in my dumpling, small size dumpling. So now it's time to add my seasoning, my scallion, garlic, thyme, pimento seeds, and my favorite scotch bonnet pepper. Two to 3 teaspoons of butter, black pepper, all-purpose powder seasoning, and stir well. I like my soup to be rich and flavorful. So as you see, it's boiling down. It's getting a little bit of body, like a little bit of thickness to it. I like it that way. Overall, this took me about 35 to 40 minutes to cook. It all depends on the type of soup you're cooking and the ingredients that's added to the soup. So now we're ready to share and enjoy our tasty pumpkin chicken foot soup. This is enjoyed throughout the Caribbean, enjoyed throughout my household on a Saturday. I always look forward to this type of soup and I enjoy making it for you guys. So please tell me what you think. Tell me if you'd like to try this recipe. And drop down in my comment section and give your thoughts. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you're not a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and I'll catch you all in my next video.